Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "This app cannot be downloaded because content restrictions are enabled" error on your iPhone. If the install button is grayed out or you can't download apps from the App Store, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now select App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Tap Apps. If your app age rating is set to a lower age, some apps won't be available to download. To remove the restriction, change the setting to allow all apps or unrated, depending on your iOS version. Once you've changed the setting, go back and open the App Store. Try downloading the app again to see if the problem has been fixed. If you're still getting the same error, don't worry. Here's another solution. Go back to Settings. Open Screen Time again. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn Content and Privacy Restrictions off. After that, restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button together with either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on, and try downloading the app again. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the content restrictions error and allow you to install apps normally from the App Store. And that's it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.